Hey, what's up, everybody? How are you doing? This is your favorite Nigerian-American vlogger back at you again. For you guys that are brand new to this challenge, a little bit about me. My name is Bioadeo, and I am a second-generation Nigerian. My parents are from Nigeria, and I was born in the US. And now I am coming back to Nigeria to just kind of rediscover my roots and learn a little bit more about the culture, about the environment, and also pursuing investment opportunities for myself while encouraging other people in the diaspora to do the same. So that is what my channel is all about. It's all about life in Nigeria, life in Lagos, agriculture, real estate, food, and traveling. So if you're into that, make sure to subscribe and check out my Life in Lagos playlist. I have over 100 videos about Nigeria on different topics on my channel. So this specific video, actually this is going to be a series. So what I have been doing over the last 2 months is I have been proactively looking for apartments in Lagos, but also trying to learn the process. And sometimes I'm helping some of my clients look for apartment that they want to come to. Sometimes I'm helping you guys look for Airbnb that you want to do as a business, or Airbnbs that you want to stay. And I'm also looking for an apartment for my family, and also looking for like apartments that I can rent to use for a short-let business. So I have checked out many different apartments and models. So I want to just use this opportunity to share some of the video tours that I went through in Lagos, Nigeria, so you guys can have a rough idea of what the apartment looks like, what the process is like. And I have 6 or 7 apartments that I have recorded. So I'll push out one every day. And at the end of that series, I will do a whole video on how to get an apartment in Lagos, Nigeria, either for short-let purposes or for your personal purposes when you guys decide you want to move to Nigeria, or you just want to get an apartment here in Lagos that you can stay when you come, or both. All right, guys, so today's specific video, I wanted to take you guys on a tour. This one is more business oriented. Throughout my search, I came across someone that owns a 6-unit apartment. So in each of the apartments, I think it's 2 to 3 bedroom, and they wanted to lease it out to someone that would completely take full control of it and do whatever they want with it. And as long as I pay them yearly and they disappear, and I handle the management, the cleaning, everything. And I was like, this is perfect. I actually like to manage as much as I can in Nigeria when it comes to business. So this is just a tour of the apartment. Apartment hunt number 1 is for you guys to just kind of get a rough idea of this apartment. So enjoy. Alright guys, I'm in Ikoyi and now I'm on Benga Shafta Road. Anyways, I'm checking out a 6-unit apartment building that the owner is trying to rent all of the 6 units together all at once. For anybody else that's interested, that's an investor that would like to manage it and then keep the profits. So I want to go check it out. So here's the street, and here's the building. Wow, this one has room space. Clear balcony, that's a good sign. Wow, I like this one. Wow, this is amazing. Let me give you guys at least the outdoor tour. All right, so I think this is just hangers to dry clothes. You guys will see they have water tanks over there, and they have little plants. They have a few generators, of course. This looks like a transformer of some sort. Little garden. But look at the balcony, guys. It's just beautiful. The balcony's here. And there's also balconies on the left side. And there's also balconies there. This is also cool. I like that they have parking lines over there. It's a very good design. Parking in a wide open area here. And the details of the fencing is fantastic. So we're going in. 3-bedroom, Abby. Wow, this is huge. No lights to see, Abby. Okay, so that's the guest toilet. And then as soon as you come in, look at this wide open space. Wow, this is a big... Everything looks a little bit more newer here. This is the balcony. A lot of windows. This is the living room, guys. Let me give you guys a wide angle view. Wow. They haven't turned on the lights, so we'll manage. Okay, so now that's the entrance that we just came from. If we make a right, let's go check out the kitchen. Okay, it looks like they're still doing some work here. This looks like a dishwasher of some sort or something. They have a stovetop sink that's close to the door. I'm assuming this is... Oh, excuse me, another balcony. Oh, wow, wait. Oh, that leads to the living room. Okay. So another balcony leads to the living room. If you need to dry clothes, this is a cool feature. You can also hang your things here to dry. I love that they thought about that when designing this place. All right, so this is the kitchen, yo. Water heater, AC, all of the above. And what's this room? Oh, this looks like a pantry, a big ass pantry. You can even use it for an office. Okay, I see a hand washing sink there, which makes me think this is the dining area. Okay, so now we're moving in. This is the living room. We're moving into that area. So to my left is 1 bedroom. This has hardwood floors, which I love, love, love. Okay, so these are the closet spaces. Okay. Wow, another balcony. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, wow, wow. And there's a little gym over there. Wow, 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 wow. This is cool. This is amazing. Okay. This is a walk-in closet of some sort. And this is the bathroom. Wow, big. We have the hand washing sink, glass showers, toilet there. Everything looks very modern and clean. I love the finishes. This is the apartment, guys. Let's go look at another room here. So there should be 3 bedrooms. We're gonna go to the left. This is the room. They have water treatment systems outside. Check out the room, guys. Wow, it's big. You know, for probably it's more like the kids' room, closet. Each room has an ensuite. You see, bathrooms here, hand washing sink, toilet. This is fantastic. Wow, I love this. And this is another room. Closet. Balcony. Another bathroom here. All right, guys, I just wanted to see the balcony view from the top. Wow, can I go in the balcony side? They have it locked. I like that for child safety. So. Wow, this is wow. All right, welcome back. So what do you guys think about this apartment? Is this the type of apartment that you would like to live in? What do you love about it? What do you hate about it? And also the deal for this apartment, I think it was roughly 6 to 7 million naira per annum, which is yearly, which is roughly like $12 to $14. But that does not include all the other fees that you have to pay, which might add another $5,000 to $6,000, for example. But when I do my video on how to rent an apartment in Lagos, I'll break everything down for you guys. But anyways, let me know what you think about this tour underneath the video, and check back again tomorrow for apartment hunt number 2. All right, guys, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.